Hello my dear brokers and traders, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this video will be so easy and basic. I would love to explain you how you can work with line chart type. The line reflects the market, and today we're gonna work only with this one, so listen me carefully with attention as usual. So we need to open our deal as close till the end of the purchase time, and everything will be depending on the direction of this trend line. For example, if we see that the market line is growing up, it means that soon the market will fall down, and we have to open lower button for a put option, and vice versa. When we see that the line is falling down, it means that soon the market will grow up, and that's why we need to open call option. Everything is quite simple. So $50 is my amount, and I've just opened. Maybe too late, but I guess we will wait just a few seconds what the result will be. But here you can see the distance, and when you see that the line is falling down, it means that soon the market will grow up. So let's check how it works. Unfortunately, I've lost $50, and in case when we lost, we need to open next deal 2.5 bigger than the previous one, because we need to cover that we lost, and in my case it will be 150. Open new option and continue. So 150 for put option, because right here we can see that the line was falling down, and it means that soon the market will fall down, and I hope so that the market will fall down. Come on, just a little and more. Yeah, good. So it was not easy, just a little. I was nervous, but you can see my result. I've covered that I lost, and I go back to my initial position and open new option. $50 for call option, because right here we can see that the trend line was falling down from up till down. It means that soon the market will grow up, and that's why I've opened call option. Market is really unpredictable thing, but grow up, baby. And you see my result for today. That is how you can work with this trend line, but my personal recommendation, this is basic video tutorial for you to understand how you can work with this chart type, but you have to mix this chart type with the other indicators or strategies. So I'm waiting for your likes, shares. Don't forget about the link which will be under this video, and see you on the next video episode. See ya!